Okay, guys, my watch list for tomorrow, which will be Wednesday, March 5th. With the SPY gapping up after gapping down and sitting basically at all-time highs, there's a lot of stocks that are just, in my opinion, ahead of themselves, but that doesn't really matter at this point. But it is tough to find outliers or stuff that isn't just flat out following the market and, where a lot of charts look the same, but as a day trader, that's kind of what you have to do. And so here's what I've come up with for a list for tomorrow. SNTA, nice volume, and on an intraday basis, I saw this pop. We saw this pop in the chat room today. And so it's not like near breakout or anything, but with this kind of volume, put this on watch. You might get a nice intraday setup tomorrow. SNTA. YOD is also interesting. Nice volume day today. Again, it's not near breakout territory, but if you go to 5-minute candles, today got some very large volume pops, here and then here. Feels like something's up with this one, and there it is on 60s. So again, this one goes on watch. It's probably a chart, if I wasn't trading today, that I wouldn't have even found, but because I was trading today, I saw those pops. SWHC closed at 1180. There's nothing really interesting about this until I add in the after hours, and you can see it's up here near 1280. It's at 1270 right now. So and there it is on 60-minute candle. So nice move in the after hours, I'm assuming on earnings. So SWHC lands on our watch list. And then here's an ugly one. And you can really see kind of a head and shoulders here. There's nothing pretty about the coal stocks. Having said that, CLF did do a nice move off this $19 area, I don't know, about a month ago. And it's back down here now, and it's down 3 days in a row. With that said, you'd also have to say, hey, the market is as strong as it is, and this thing's still selling. So, I'm not, this is on the very bottom of my list. I'm not that interested, but if for some reason coal catches a bid, this one could bounce off this area. Again, I'm a day trader, so even an ugly chart might afford intraday opportunities. A couple other lower float stocks. I always try to have a few of these on charts. OXBT, it gapped up. It's got a chart that if it can really get going one of these days, it could just go crazy. You can see the move it made back here, then a lower high, then a lower high again today. I doubt tomorrow's the day, but keep this one on watch. I just found this one goofing around this in after hours today. KIOR, very nice pop about a week ago in flagging. I don't know anything about it. I'm just going by the chart here, but keep that one on watch as well. I believe that's about it. Again, we'll find stuff as the day unfolds as a team in the room, unusual volume plays and that sort of thing. But starting with a fairly short list because the market is, everything's kind of moving in tandem here. So I'm trying to find some stocks that may be lagging or maybe we're getting killed and just recently finding strength, something that might give us, because remember, I'm just looking for something that can give me some money tomorrow. I'm a cash at night every person. I don't hold anything overnight. So I've got to try to, that's what that's my duty there, is to find stuff where I can just make some money tomorrow and get back out. So I'll continue looking. May find some more stuff in the morning as well, pre-market gappers. But this is the list I'm starting with, and I probably babbled long enough, so we'll talk to you tomorrow.